In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the gas tank lid on this 2019 Subaru Outback. The gas tank lid is located on the passenger backside. It's behind this circle panel right here. In some vehicles, you can just push on it and it pops open. In this vehicle, it is a security feature. You cannot open this from the outside unless you pull a lever on the inside. So let me show you that now. The gas tank lid lever is located on the driver's side of the vehicle, and it's going to be right at the driver's side foot. There's a lever that has a gas icon on it. You'll pull that up and you'll hear a click. And then now you can see that this lid is elevated off of the side profile of the vehicle, and you can pull this open. What that did is it pulled this actuator in and it released it inside of this mechanism right here. So this is now released and you have the ability to get to your gas right here. You just twist this off counterclockwise and that's where you put your fuel. When you're closing it, make sure that you push and click, and then now it's securely positioned back the way it needs to be. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.